Welcome this video design and outdoor kitchen can transforming your backyard into a functionally and style space for cook entertainment and enjoy the outdoor whether your plan a simple set for cost but or a high end kitchen fair government may create the professional outdoor kitchen request careful plan and thoughtful design. Here an 800 gas kitchen to help you create an outdoor kitchen that sub your living style and enhance your outdoor living space. Access your need and space. The first step in design an outdoor kitchen is to access your need, evaluate the available space, consider the follow request. How often will you use the outdoor kitchen? What type of cook do you enjoy most? How many popular do you practically entertain? What is your budget for the project? Understanding your need will help you determine the size and layout of your outdoor kitchen. Man, the available space and idea. The best location keep and mid such as Promax to your indoor kitchen. Explore landscape to access light glow, water and electricity. Choose the right location. The layout of your outdoor kitchen will depend on the size and shape to your space as well as your look and entertainment need. Company outdoor kitchen layout in cabin.